Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here, a retired expat traveling the world, now in Mexico, registered with IRS since 1999. In today's video, we're going to talk about the most recent updates in Iraqi news. There are 7 factors that control the Iraqi dinar exchange rate: inflation, interest rates, terms of trade, political stability, balance of payments, national debt, and recession. According to a government statement, the new Prime Minister of Iraq, who will be visiting Washington, D.C. later this month, said the following: Iraq is the country for everyone, and that Christians are the original children of the country, and there is no difference between the people of the same country, as everyone is a partner in building the future of Iraq. Turkey says operations against Kurdish militants in Iraq to continue, and they urge Baghdad to cooperate. But here's what's happening. Iraq is in fumes against Turkey over deadly drone strike. A drone strike killed 2 Iraqi military personnel. A blast hits U.S. coalition convoy north of Baghdad. No casualties, Iraq military. It looks like convoys, U.S. and the U.K. are being attacked in Iraq often. Now, you may have noticed in the comment section, some Iraqis have joined the group. Welcome. And a couple of them, their response to all of this is that Iraq will never make it out. And we believe that they will. We have hope. And when you have millions of people around the world with hope, unbelievable things can happen. Now, Iraq must address national crises or risk extreme poverty. This is a report the UN put out. And I am almost sure this is why some of the people in our group think or believe perhaps there's no hope for Iraq. We have to keep the hope alive. As you may or may not remember, several videos back, I talked about a lot of the secrets of the world's largest religion is hidden in the Middle East. And this is an article that further supports that belief. The Museum of the Bible is in discussion with Iraq to reach a settlement over thousands of disputed antiquities in its collection. So you see, people, there are truths within the Middle East concerning and surrounding the Christian religion. And these truths or this information is not necessarily being shared with the world.